Hello kids, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our science class 8 chapter number 17, that is refraction and dispersion of light. See students, in this one in 8th class itself or in 6th or 7th class we had already studied about the term reflection and refraction. So first of all you have to know about reflection. What is reflection? Okay, so students, what is reflection? Let's listen. Bouncing back of light, that process is called reflection. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about refraction. Refraction means what is that? Refraction of light. So bending of light, when light travels from one medium to another medium and it bends from its position, that process is called our refraction of light. See students, what we have known about this refraction. What is the definition of refraction? Okay, you can take one example. So when you have taken one torch and take a powerful torch and cover its face with a black paper with a small hole in the middle. Okay, so it will be your point source of light at that time. So alternately we can use a laser torch or that can give a thin beam of red light. In a dark room, shine the torch towards the surface of water taken in a glass beaker. So what you have seen, you can put a few drops of milk in the water to see the clear path of light in the water. Observe the path of light as it enters the water. So what you notice, what you have entered. So we will notice that the light enters into water, it bends from its surface. Same there is in the process of refraction. What is refraction? The bending of light when light travels from one medium to another medium, so it displays from its position. It bends from it towards the normal. That is called our refraction of light. See in this pic, or we can say you have also seen this incident ray which comes out from one medium. Okay, this dotted line is normal and this one is small I is angle of incident. We all know about these terms in chapter 16. So what is this? When the incident ray enters from one medium to the water another medium, so what happened? It displaces from its normal position, and that is called this refracted ray. So this process is called refraction. So when the light comes from one medium to another medium and it displaces from its position, that is called refraction of light. Now how we have to find out? We can say that how we find out the index of refraction also, and that is the formula is there. N equals to speed of light in vacuum upon speed of light in material. Okay. Now dispersion of light. Dispersion means scatter, or so what is the dispersion of light? The splitting of light into the component colors on refraction, that is called dispersion of light. It means that we all know that when the light which comes from sun that have a white light, they have a white light, when it passes through a prism, it is to be its component is to be differentiated into 7 colors. That is called the dispersion of light. Okay, why this reason? What is the reason for dispersion? So the reason for dispersion is that a transparent medium bends to different colors of light by different amounts. Okay, and the deviation is maximum for violet and minimum for red. Reflection through a rectangular glass slab. Rules of refraction. When a light ray travels from a rarer medium to a denser medium. Okay, so what happened? The light ray bends towards the normal condition. See, there is in picture also incident ray, it comes towards from rarer medium, that is air, and denser medium is water. Okay, so what happened? It has to be bend towards its normal condition. Rule 2. When a light ray travels from a denser medium to a rarer medium. What happened? The light ray bends away from the normal. Okay. So this one is our ray of normal or bend its position. Some examples of refraction around us we can see. Okay, you do this experiment at your home also, students. If you place a pencil in a glass of water, we will see that the pencil appears to be bent. Now you know for a fact that the pencil is not bent at all. It just appears to be so. This is the effect of light. Light is actually a form of energy called electromagnetic radiation. There is a wide spectrum of radiation with X-rays, ultraviolet rays, infrared waves, and most of them are present in atmosphere with their own definite wavelengths and properties. Okay, but the only wavelengths that we are able to see, that is that of visible light, that we shown in figure 1. Since light is a form of waves, it has many characteristic properties like reflection, or we can say it travels at different speeds in different objects, and most importantly undergoes refraction. Second is, the term refraction is defined as the bending of light as it passes from one type of material into another. Because light travels at different speeds into two different materials, it changes its speeds at the boundary of two materials. Okay, so if a beam of light hits this boundary at an angle, then light hitting the side first will be forced to slow down, speed up before light on the other side hits the new material. So this causes the beam to bend or refract at the boundary. Suppose we were to place a coin in a glass of water. The light bouncing off the coin underwater, for instance, would you have to first travel through the water, then the air to reach an observer's eye. At the boundary, it gets refracted and reaches the observer's eye. So what happened? Thus appearing to be slightly red. See, this one is our condition. This is when we take water and we put some coin in there, so that actually the coin is at the bottom, but appearance should be at the coin appears to be here at the top level. Okay. Prism. It is a transparent body glass, commonly having 3 sides rectangular and 2 sides triangular. This one is the shape of prism. Lens and its kind. See, students, what is lens? It is a transparent body or glass bounded by 1 or 2 curved surfaces. Okay, what are the kinds of lens? 2 types of lenses are there: convex lens and concave lens. See, what we have seen, so many types of curved surfaces are joined together and they can form these type of lenses. See, converging lens. Okay, so what is about the converging lens? It is thicker at the middle and thinner at its edges and serves to converge light. It converges all the light at one places. Diverging light, it thinner at the middle and thicker at the edges. It divert the light. Okay. A double convex lens, a double concave lens. See, this one is our thing. Converging prism. See, a set of prism acting as a converging and diverging lens. When the light passes through this convex lens, so what happened? It converges all the light at one point, and in the case of concave lens, it diverges all the light at different places. Okay. Now, convex lens. Just take a brief of them. It is the thickest in the center because its boundaries are curving outwards. As it bends light inwards, rays coming together, hence it is called converging lens. As it bends light inwards, it means that they converge all the light at a one point F, focus point. Okay, so that is called converging lens. So one question is there, which lens is known as converging lens? So we can say converging lens is convex lens. Yes. Now its focal length is taken positive terminal, positive ions. Okay, it forms real image. Concave lens. It is the thinnest in the center because its boundaries are curving inwards. As it spreads light out, that is called diverging lens. Its focal length is taken negative. Okay, it forms virtual image. Okay. So students, what you have seen? You have seen in this picture that what is convex lens, what are concave lens. Okay. So we all have to know about it. Thank you.